Getting set up right now. We got the air horn under the seat.
Coming.
I have to be over there?
Yeah. In front of the
And I gotta
lights.
remember these?
No, we'll ask you what.
Keep it on.
Yeah.
What? God, I feel like I've been interrogated.
I'm still thinking on a favorite costume. I know, so,
Well, you have time to think.
clever. I got a favorite costume. Am I sitting here?
Yeah.
Oh, you're a smooth talker. Jeez, you did not.
Do I sit or stand?
Yeah, you sit. You sit. Yeah. That's where the lighting is better.
Alright.
Yeah, Esai, watch out. Alright, so.
Do I have to sit?
Yeah.
I'm in standing pants. Oh, I feel fat. I don't really want to sit.
No, it's okay. Yeah, just, yeah, it'll be okay. Yeah. Yeah. Can you lower it just a little bit? Actually, go lower. All the way. It's not in the frame.
It's really uncomfortable to sit this low.
Wait, is that as low as it goes?
No. Yes.
Can you like just bounce? Thank
There you
God.
go. That's it. That one's lower.
Is it?
Yeah.
Well, I mean, the lever doesn't work on it.
it didn't work. Can you get a little bit again?
You.
That's one. Alright, use it down.
You just move like you.
Dang.
You guys are dirty rats. You're dirty rats.